As you can see, I am starting this out with the bib on. No changing my ties today. What's going on, people? I am back with another video, and today we going snowboarding at Pine Knot, hoping to maybe do some stuff different. I don't know. We might try to park, or maybe I'll try jumping on the board while I'm going down. We'll see. You know, progression is always the name. Progression is always the name of the game. We'll see if I do something different today. But today I will be doing something different. I'll be rocking the different snowboard. Let me get it for you real quick. All right, here's the new board, or the other board. It's the Night Anchor Scorn, little 360. Boots already attached. These are the Burton step-on boots, so these are 15, so they might feel a little bit better than the 14 I got. We'll see. Now as you've seen that, it's the same gear as before. Let's get out there and board, baby. Alright, what's going on, people? I'm here at Pine Knots, and they've been making snow. They're still making snow, so hopefully that means a lot more runs are open, and we get to do different areas. Hopefully we do something different today. I don't know, man. I don't be wanting to hurt myself, but you gotta hurt yourself. Well, you ain't gotta hurt yourself, but you gotta take risks in order to get better. So hopefully today is a risk-taking day. All right, baby. Got the Burton step-ons today out. I'm so used to my Supermatics. I feel like they're a little bit rougher, so it's easier to step in them than it is these Burtons. But I will have to say, from the last time that I had these Burtons, they are way better. They're stepping in a lot easier, and it's not coming out. So I've been at least did 6 to 7 runs, and no coming out, so good. That problem looked like it was actually fixed. All right, let's go. Trying to do a switch, but I don't know, I didn't feel comfortable with that switch. That was my attempt at a jump, if you saw that. Whoa. There we go. That was a good jump. Let's go, baby. Woo. Woo. I don't know if this is a blue or black. Oh, I thought this was open. I don't know how people getting up there then. Yeah, because those are not moving. Oh, it's all the way on the other side. Thought it wasn't open, but it's the chairlift all the way on the end, so we gotta go to the chairlift all the way at the end, y'all. I am on the chairlift to go to the more higher part of the mountain. Shit, they open all the way over there. Okay, so this is new to me because they're open all the way over there. I don't remember that run over there being open. They got a lot more runs they seen this year, bro. Kind of hype for that. It's a lot more runs, man. This is gonna be good. Making that snow, man. They are working. I like Pine Knot. This might be the area this year, y'all. I don't know. Mount Holly wasn't locking in with the snow making. Like for the whole time, I was just, because they wasn't open in the morning. Today is the only day they were open in the morning besides Saturday and Sunday. So I came today, but the pine knots was like making snow. Like not every day, but like 3 out of 4 days I was looking, they were making snow. Mount Holly only made snow yesterday. Like that's the only day I remember them making snow. Like they're still making snow to get those other places open, so that's like dope. Whew. All right, so this is a black and okay, so nostalgia. I don't know if you've seen this video on my page, but this is the first black supposedly me and my friends supposed to do, and I'll explain why I'm snowboarding. Let me get to the snowboard. All right, fun fact, y'all. I actually never did this one. The fact is that I was supposed to do it with these boots on, but they broke. And I wasn't able to do this, and it was a black. There was like supposed to be some shit we were supposed to try, and it never worked out that way. So here I go, trying to do this black. Yeah, that's the story, y'all. I was trying to do that. That was my first time doing a run. All right, y'all, let's go get this blue. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Let's go. All right. Oh, oh. All right. I fell a little bit, but I'm back on it, y'all. Let's go. Down, I guess I should say, I tried to do the park, but I sat there for like 10 minutes, bro. And I just couldn't do it today. Like, I don't want to rush myself where I'll just make a mistake where I'm put out for the whole season. But I still want to push, right? Like, that's a necessity. You gotta push. You gotta push, man. Right now, I'm like kind of on this super steep run while I'm talking to y'all, so I'm a little bit concentrated and a little bit not. That's probably why I'm slower than I normally would be. I want to say this about Pine Knob. I doubt they're ever gonna listen, but that park is not a green park, bro. I've seen green park before. That's not it. Like, they got a lot of curves and turns. Like, the hills they got, those are pretty decent, but everything else is like way more than just like some green park stuff, man. So I don't know. It was a good day. We're going to head back to the house, people. Hi. I am back from that session, and it was good, man. I had a couple falls and bruises, but otherwise okay. And I'm excited to say the board's working pretty out well. I just got to get used to it a little bit, and then in no time, I know I'm going to be feeling it. Happy that I turned it in for the warranty claim. Glad it's working. Good job, Burton, with fixing that. And with everything else, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, my first video at Pine Notch this year. That might be the ski resort for Michigan for me this year, man. They making a lot of snow. They got a lot of runs. I don't know, Mount Holly, I don't know, man. They just not making snow. Runs ain't opening up as fast as I would think they should, especially with like the season being kind of cold. I would thought they would try to take advantage to get a lot of snow out there. But we are supposed to have a couple warm days coming up on Monday, Tuesday. So maybe they just don't want to make it so the snow melt very quick. But who knows? As always, like, subscribe, comment below whether you thought I did good or you think I'm progressing. Talk about what you want to see next in my videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Audi 5000.